Let's be honest, and we all love using ChatGPT. It writes, it answers, it helps us every day. But is ChatGPT secretly spying on you? And how can you protect your data right now? Let's dive in. First, does ChatGPT actually store your chats? Yes, by default, OpenAI uses your conversations to improve the AI. That means everything you type may be reviewed by human trainers, even though OpenAI says this is anonymized. It's not direct spying, but it's definitely worth paying attention to. If you use ChatGPT for personal info, business projects, or sensitive data, you need to know how to protect yourself. So, what can you do? Step 1. Disable chat history. Open ChatGPT, go to settings, then data controls, and turn off chat history and training. This stops your chats from being saved or used for training. OpenAI confirms that when this setting is off, your conversations are automatically deleted after 30 days and not used to train the model. Step 2. Be mindful of plugins and extensions. Some browser extensions claiming to enhance ChatGPT may collect your inputs or even your data. Only use official apps or trusted sources. Step 3. Use a VPN for extra privacy. While ChatGPT itself may not track your location, using a VPN keeps your connection encrypted and anonymous. Step 4. Never share sensitive information. Even with history off, avoid typing passwords, personal IDs, or confidential business info. Treat ChatGPT like a public forum, because once it's sent, you lose control. And step 5. Review OpenAI's privacy policy regularly. They sometimes update how they handle data, so stay informed. So, is ChatGPT spying on you? Not exactly, but your data isn't 100% private unless you take action. By tweaking a few settings, staying smart with what you share, and using the tools you trust, you can use ChatGPT safely and without worrying about your privacy. In the end, ChatGPT is an incredible tool, but like anything online, your privacy is in your hands.